guys, I don't know how much you guys can see me, but it's about 3:52 a.m. and we're headed to Tulsa, Oklahoma this morning. This is the first day of our Idaho trip this year. So it's been since July, the end of July, early August of 23 since we've been out there. And it's time to go back. Getting ready to, this year we'll be checking out our little mining claim in, I guess you would consider it Ashton, Idaho. We're gonna be just on the border of Idaho and Wyoming below West Yellowstone. So heading out this morning. It's crazy because something happened last night and the power is out in our little town here. But ours stayed on luckily, so that's good. So didn't sleep a whole lot, getting super excited, but my aunt's got me a little room there waiting for me. So it's about 15 hours away. So just now getting rolling and getting excited, guys. So hopefully everything will go well. We'll bring you along on this journey. Don't know where we'll end up staying over the course of about 3 days it's gonna take to get out there. I might camp some if the weather's nice. We'll see how it goes. If not, we'll get a hotel. But ride along with us, guys. Downtown Atlanta, 6 a.m. in the morning. Crazy amount of people out for this early. Birmingham, Alabama. Clicking the miles off. See? Welcome to Arkansas. Alright guys, this area we're in here is actually the Ozarks, Ozark National Park, National Forest, right near Russellville, Arkansas. And it's a place that I'd love to go to and come back someday. I'd love to stop, go check out that OARC Cafe that's on the Trans-American Trail, and I wanted to stop there today, but I'm kind of on a crunch. Getting to my aunts and hanging out with them tonight. Haven't seen them in a long time. It's my dad's sister. So we can come back and do that. But this is a beautiful area. You know, reading Summer of the Monkeys when I was a kid, I always wondered about what's the Ozarks like. But this is them, man. This is all basically over here to my right. All this over here is it. It's not very super high mountains or more hills, but it's pretty cool. So we keep plugging away. I've only got about 2.5 more or 3 more hours or so to get to my aunt's, and that's pretty much about the halfway point to Idaho, so that's cool. I hate it so bad because I am dead on OARC. Probably less than 15 or 20 miles right there on the map. Right, I kind of actually went up past it a little bit, but I could make that turn there and go, but I'm pressed for time, so we're gonna keep on trucking. We'll come back. Tulsa, Oklahoma. Big shout out to my awesome aunt and uncle and cousins for letting me come visit and stay with them. We're going across the Panhandle today, so come along for the ride. Nothing but windmills and oil pumps. There's the Arkansas River, Keystone Lake, I believe they call that. Oklahoma Panhandle, we in it. Far as you can see, Kansas over there, Texas over there. Finally starting to see some mountains. Man, there's a gale force wind straight into this truck and it is making it hard to pull. Got it packed up back there. We making it though. Well, this is Pueblo, Colorado at 5 a.m. in the morning. Rolling on, headed to Idaho still. Sun's beginning to come up. Had a good night's rest. Finally stopped in Trinidad, Colorado. Was gonna try to get a lot further, but had a headwind just about all day. Just about wore me out. Look at here, guys. Denver, Colorado. 6:30 a.m. Still snow on the mountains. Awesome. Our headwind. Poor old truck is struggling, but it's getting there. Check this out. Laramie, Wyoming. Guys, don't know how good the camera will make it out through the windshield, but there's the first sighting of the Grand Tetons. Right there, snow on them. We're on Highway 191 headed north. Headed to Idaho Falls today. Go hang out with a good buddy of mine. Well, I must say, we are definitely in the Tetons now. Just crossed into Teton County and rolling through here. This is beautiful, man. You guys get out here to see this if you haven't. I know I'm just in the truck, but boy, that river, what a place, man. Look at that. This is a little town of Alpine, Wyoming. Super nice. We're getting ready to cross into Idaho, hopefully. I believe so. This is a neat little town. Right. Palisades. Beautiful. And if I'm not mistaken, we're getting ready to cross into our favorite state. Look at that. Welcome to Idaho, the greatest state in the nation. So this is the town of Ashton. This is the closest town to our mining claim. I want you guys to see this. Look at that view right there. Look at that view. Ain't that gorgeous? Grand Tetons. Nothing but farmland here, but the mountains in the background. That's awesome. Ain't got no turn signals on that thing, does it? Coming out.
I wish, God, that'd be amazing.
And up through the ground come a bubbling crude. Alright, here's the mining claim all did up. Beautiful back here. It's a little rainy and cold today. We got the girls with us. Yeah. But we got it staked and we're fixing to go stake Cody's. This would have been a nice place to put the drone up. And look at that blue sky. I should have brought it. I just thought it was going to be raining. I'll come right back up here maybe. Wow, what a place. Close? The arrow is. Okay, so basically we could make a trail right here to the river.
Straight down.
Yep.
This is also
that waterfall's right there.
It's right. It's like back right here.
Does the river go around that bend?
It opens up right here.
Okay.
Just look.
Oh yeah, we're pretty close to the creek, but you're pretty much on the line right here.
Potato.
Is that peanuts and a potato? That's definitely peanuts or acorns, ain't it, Logan?
No. size of your foot.
Claim, getting ready to stake it, about to get rich. Gold in them hills. We'll find a rock, Cody. I should have brought that tater rock with me. That hair in it means that's a bear.
Ew.
Yeah.
Bear.
I want to walk down into the creek.
I am. I'm gonna take off down through there.
Try to go 660.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna walk back
All the way back to side by
to
side.
that grizzly stuff.
Grizzly. Is there like a cul-de-sac down back there? Or does it just keep going?
Cody said it goes to the end as a fence down there.
Well, he was on a dirt bike.
Down there.
A little bit of blue.
It was real pretty while ago. The sun shining through. I was like, oh, my toes might warm up after all.
Pete is dying. Alright, so we'll ride to the end and back.
You ain't gonna let him take a picture?
Yeah.
Y'all gotta take those
Guys,
pictures.
come on, get a family photo.
You think we good?
Come on, Maddie.
Yeah, well, I think we're good.
Meow.
Save just a little and something crazy. This is what I'm talking about. That smell the West has. It's like cherries and pine or something. You smell it? This has got a lot of mining up in here. Oh man. See guys, this is where I should have been born. Look, still snow on the ground. Wow. There's something about this air that's like medicine. I don't even know how to describe it. Oh, is it a mine shaft? Oh man, it is. This is some of my favorite history, man. You know it?